Introduction. For real estate agents in New York, success hinges on their ability to guide potential clients smoothly from interest to purchase. This is where a high converting sales funnel comes into play. Imagine a funnel as a journey your clients take, starting with those who just heard about you, all the way to sealing the deal on a property. Having a well structured sales funnel means you're not just randomly engaging buyers and sellers, but guiding them strategically through every step of their buying decision. Creating a compelling sales funnel isn't just about attracting leads, it's about transforming those leads into long-term clients. A high converting funnel ensures that you are not losing potential clients at each touchpoint. Instead, you're providing them with consistent value, reinforcing their decision to work with you. This approach not only boosts the number of agreements, but also deepens trust and loyalty, which is essential in the dynamic real estate market of New York. Understanding the sales funnel concept. The term sales funnel can sound a bit complex, but it's really just a structured way of thinking about how to turn interest into action and action into sale. The sales funnel typically includes several main stages. Awareness. This is the top of the funnel. Here, potential clients are just beginning to learn about you and what you offer. They might come across your social media page, read an article you published, or hear about you from a friend. Interest. As they move deeper into the funnel, they're starting to show interest. Maybe they've looked at properties you've listed or asked a few initial questions. Desire. This stage is when the potential client begins to picture themselves moving into one of the homes you've helped them see. They're considering what working with you could look like. Action. At the bottom of the funnel, the client is ready to make a move. This might mean putting in an offer on a property or hiring you officially as their real estate guide. Each stage is crucial because it represents a step closer to securing a client and finalizing a deal. For real estate agents, the funnel doesn't just stop once a house is bought. It continues into maintaining that relationship for future opportunities, whether that's finding them another property or earning their referral to others. Understanding and optimizing each stage helps ensure clients don't drop off before reaching their final goal. Creating awareness. The first step in your sales funnel is all about drawing attention to your services. It's like casting a wide net to gather a batch of interested individuals who might turn into clients. Here are some actionable strategies to consider. Engage on social media. Use platforms like Instagram and Facebook, where potential home buyers often browse. Share beautiful photos of listings, behind-the-scenes glimpses, or stories of recent successful sales. Leverage content marketing. Write blog posts or feature helpful videos discussing tips for home buyers in New York. This positions you as knowledgeable and approachable. Network in the community. Attend local events or join business groups to meet people who might need your services down the line. Personal connections often lead to business. By implementing these strategies, you expand your reach effectively, bringing in fresh eyes to what you offer. Realtor digital marketing plays a big role here in making sure the right eyes see your content, ensuring those who are looking to buy or sell a home are aware of your expertise. Basically, the more people know about you and what you do, the more potential clients there are to nurture through the funnel. Engaging prospects. Once you've captured someone's interest, it's crucial to keep them engaged. Maintaining a potential client's attention requires more than just an initial glare. It's about nurturing a relationship and leading them to see the value in what you offer. Here are a few ways to engage prospects effectively. Personalized communication. Tailor your messaging to address their specific needs and interests. When you personalize emails or newsletters, clients feel valued and understood. Timely follow-ups. Don't let interested parties get cold feet. Regularly check in to answer questions and provide updates. This keeps you top of mind. Offer valuable content. Regularly share insights or advice that are directly useful to potential clients. This might be market trends, home buying tips, or even neighborhood highlights. Consider the story of a family looking to buy their first home. They met a realtor who didn't just show them properties, but regularly sent them neighborhood insights and mortgage tips that aligned with their needs. This personal touch not only kept them engaged, but also cemented their decision to work with that realtor when the time came to buy. Converting leads into clients, turning a prospect into a client is where the magic happens, and it's where your sales funnel truly proves its worth. The process should make this transition smooth and logical. Here's how to optimize this important stage. Strong proposals. Present your services clearly with a solid value proposition. Explain not just what you're offering, but how it specifically benefits them. Visual aids and demonstrations. Nothing speaks louder than a well-crafted visual that highlights potential homes or great deals. Visuals are memorable and help prospects picture their future. Streamline processes. Ensure the path to purchasing is as smooth as possible with easy-to-follow steps. Avoid any unnecessary hurdles that could cause them to second-guess. Each action plays a part in guiding prospects to the decision-making stage. By keeping the focus on clear benefits and an easy process, you minimize doubts and secure conversions. Optimizing the sales funnel improvement should be constant, and the sales funnel is no exception. If you want to stay ahead, make it a point to revisit and refine your funnel regularly. Feedback collection. Engage with past clients for feedback on their experience. They can outline areas for improvement you might not notice. Metric analysis. Look at what works and what doesn't within each funnel stage. This data-driven approach reveals strengths and areas needing adjustment. Flexibility. Stay adaptive to shifts in market trends or buyer behavior. Flexibility allows you to fine-tune your approach as needed. By continually honing each element within the funnel, you create a dynamic system that responds to change effectively and ensures continuous client engagement. Maintaining long-term relationships. Once a deal closes, don't consider the funnel over. Turning clients into promoters is essential and relies on cultivating lasting relationships. Here are strategies to achieve that. Consistent follow-up, regular check-ins that offer value, create long-term relationships. This could be anniversaries of their home purchase or helpful local updates. Exclusive access. Entertain former clients with early access to new listings or special events. Referral incentives. Foster word of mouth by rewarding clients who refer new business to you. Everyone likes a little thank you for their effort. Remarkable relationships don't just happen, they're intentionally built. This ongoing interaction helps secure their loyalty while creating opportunities for future business and referrals. Final thoughts on building. High converting sales. Funnels. Fashioning a high converting sales funnel takes effort, insight, and attentiveness. This structure supports your path to success in New York's dynamic real estate scene. By staying attuned to your clients' needs and continuously refining each stage of the funnel, you can ensure satisfaction and loyalty. By diligently applying these strategies, you're set for growth and connection with new clients. It's all about ensuring that at each touchpoint within the funnel, potential clients are met with consistency, clarity, and care. Ready to elevate your real estate marketing game? Discover how Auggie 8 can help you harness the potential of Realtor digital marketing to reach more clients and build lasting relationships. Our expertise will assist in customizing strategies that fit your unique needs, guiding you to thrive in the New York market. Why subscribe? Let's cut to the chase. This newsletter is designed to make your life easier, your marketing more effective, and your business more profitable. I'm not just giving you tips from a distance, I'm living it as a realtor, marketing expert, and consultant. I feel your pain because I've been in your shoes, and now I'm here to help you win. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Ask 8 Strategies, Ask Auggie Smarts, and let's turn those leads into clients, simplify your marketing, and give your business the boost it deserves. Plus, I promise I'll keep it fun. No boring corporate stuff, just real talk, real strategies, and maybe even a dad joke or two. Lastly, you will always see me sign off with the same statement, which is at the core of who I am. Subscribe. All the best to your success.